Hello everyone, my name is Bishan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to delve deep into the world of figurative painting. But before we start, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future content. And remember, it doesn't cost you anything, but it is a great motivator for me to create more and better. Thank you, and I really appreciate your support. Today we are embarking on a journey that challenges convention and celebrates the beauty of human form. We are talking about painting nudes, particularly women, and yes, you heard that right. You may ask, why nudes? Why not landscapes, still life, or abstract? A good question. To paint the human form in its most natural state is perhaps the ultimate test for an artist. It aids in comprehending proportion, light, shadow, and how they harmoniously blend with the human form. Now, why specifically women? Women to me embody strength and beauty, making them a compelling subject. The goal isn't to objectify, but to appreciate and represent their beauty through art. But not everyone has easy access to a life model, especially beginners. How do we tackle this challenge? It's all about building trust. Start with cloth poses. Share your portfolio and reassure models of their comfort and privacy. In a world deeply entrenched in cultural norms, painting and drawing nudes has been an area of art that can sometimes be met with hesitation, particularly for budding artists just starting out. However, we find ourselves in an era where technology is changing the way we create and perceive art. Thanks to the digital age, a plethora of online resources, from free drawing references to informative art forums, have made it easier than ever to learn and practice the art of figurative painting and drawing. The beauty of painting and drawing nudes lies in the exploration and appreciation of the human form in its most natural state. The following are some essential tips that can guide you on this remarkable journey. So, the tip number 1, starting with line drawings. The first step in mastering the art of figurative drawings or painting is understanding proportion. By beginning with line drawings, you can effectively grasp where different body parts are situated in relation to one another and gain a clearer understanding of the human anatomy. Tip number 2, understanding light and shadow. Making a conscious effort to observe and understand how light interacts with the human form and how shadows are cast can dramatically enhance the depth and realism of your work. Tip number 3, experimenting with tones. Variety is the spice of life, and it holds true in art as well. When working with figurative art, employing a wide range of tones, shades, and tints can bring your painting or drawing to life. It adds depth and gives the artwork a vibrant yet realistic feel. Next, patience is key. The human body is a complex structure with countless intricate details. Capturing its essence requires patience. Resist the temptation to rush your work and instead take the time to fully render each detail of the human form. The next and the last tip of today is the most important one. That is, practice regularly. Like any skill, mastery comes with practice. The more you paint or draw, the better you will understand the nuances of the human form and the intricacies of figurative art. Regular practice will undoubtedly enhance your skills and increase your confidence. Keep in mind that the journey of learning and mastering the art of painting nudes is not merely about the craft. It's about enjoying the process of learning, exploring, and creating. If patience is not your strength, remember to pace yourself to maintain interest and prevent burnout. So, what do I mean by that? If you think you cannot hold your attention for 6 hours or 4 hours a day, then make small goals. Paint 1 hour every day for 10 days, and then after 10th day see how much you progressed. That will give you some sort of motivation, and from there on you can increase your time duration. You can start working by 2 hours per day. Then you will see gradually your attention span will increase, so will your interest in art, and you will understand how you can learn best and fast. So you have to find your way to learn and to teach yourself. So be your teacher. Understand yourself. Understand your temperament. That's how your personal journey will take off, and you will realize how you start understanding yourself, not just as an artist but also as a human being. So keep that in mind. With these guiding tips, it's my hope to inspire and direct aspiring artists on their journey into the captivating world of nude figurative painting and drawing. So, I'm not a teacher here. I'm not teaching you. I'm just sharing my journey, and I want to tell you that you are not alone. I'm with you. We are all working together. We are all work in process, and we are all learning. So let's learn together, share with each other, and build a nice, strong community. So I hope that you found this video entertaining. If not entertaining, somehow inspiring. My motivation to create this video, especially to talk about this particular subject, was to motivate myself and my viewers. So I hope I gave you some reasons to subscribe to my channel and also be part of this journey, so that we all can learn from each other and grow as a family. And if you have any suggestions or any feedback, or if you want me to talk about any specific topic, you can write me in the comment section. And I think this is enough for today. So bye bye for now. We'll see each other in my next video. Until then, happy painting.